In this video, I'm about to show you how to fix corrupted save data in Rocket League PS5. Start by backing up your data. If you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, you can use online storage. First, go to Settings, select System, then Power Saving, and enable Stay Connected to the Internet. After that, return to Settings, select Save Data and Game/App Settings, and then Save Data. For USB backup, insert a USB into your PS5. Next, go to Settings, select Save Data and Game/App Settings, then Save Data and System Storage. Choose Copy to USB Storage Device and select Rocket League. Wait for the transfer to complete and remove the USB. If the issue persists, you can delete the corrupted saved data. Go to Settings, select Storage, and then Save Data. Now choose Rocket League, press the Options button, and select Delete. After that, launch Rocket League and a new save file will be created. If you have automatic uploads enabled, it will back up to cloud storage. If the new save file doesn't resolve the issue, you can download a backup from the cloud. Go to Settings, then Save Data and Game/App Settings, and select Cloud Storage. Choose Rocket League and download it to console storage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.